In this video, I am going to teach you how to create text animation element in Alight Motion. Text animation element helps you to create animation using text and then save the text and then use it in another video, and that is what I'm going to teach you how to do in this video. So assuming you have created your text like what you're seeing on the screen right now, and you want to use it in another video, so first thing you need to do is to remove your background. So this is my background down here, so the first line, blue line down here, that is my background. So I'm going to mute it, I'm going to remove it, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I will highlight the rest of what are these things called again? I can't remember what they are called, but I'm going to highlight. As you can see, I just highlighted all of them, and I'm going to select the first option right here. Oh my god, it has already gone ahead to group them, but that was what I was trying to do. I was trying to group them. So let's do it again. Highlight every one of them and then group them. So now you can see we already have group 1 right here. So if you press on this eye again, you're going to highlight it, but we don't want to highlight it. Just press slightly in front of it there, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, these tools are going to be opening down here, and then these 3 dots on the right top corner right here. So you click on it, and then the next, this dialog box, what you're going to see, it says save to my element. So if you click on save to my element, it's going to save in your element. Now let me show you how to use this in another project. So this is a new project right here, this new project 15. So I'm going to open project 15, and if I can play back, that's the only thing you can see. There is nothing else on this project. Now I want to bring in that text animation element, so I'm going to scroll to 1 second right here, and then I'll click on this plus button down here, and then I'll click on object and element here, and then you can see it says camera null empty group and then element project. So I'll click on element project, and you can see I've already saved it before, so I had to teach you how to save it again. So now that I've saved it again, they are showing 2, like group 1 and another group 1. So I'll just select it right there, and I will just click anywhere and then playback. Now you can see the text has appeared right there without the background coming with it on my new project. So as you can see, that is the same text that we saved from the other project appearing right here on this project. So if you like this video, hit subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section if you need me to tutor you on something different in Alight Motion, and I will do that in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.